Welcome, doctors. Are you feeling overwhelmed with the demands of your practice? Between managing staffing shortages, ensuring HIPAA compliance, and providing quality care, it can often feel like you're juggling a million things at once. Trust me, I get it, especially when it seems like there's never enough time to keep up with the ever-changing healthcare landscape. Dr. Sarah Matthews, head of a busy family practice, sat at her desk, completely stressed out. She had her head in her hands, overwhelmed by the sheer amount of work piling up. Every time I think we're getting a handle on staffing, something else comes up, she sighed. I need to stay compliant with HIPAA, but it feels like I'm always running behind. And honestly, that frustration is so relatable. HIPAA compliance is crucial. Miss it, and it could cost you a lot, both in penalties and your practice's reputation. Dr. Matthews confided in her colleague, Dr. Joe Miller, who immediately noticed the stress on her face. I'm swamped, Dr. Matthews admitted. Staffing is always a problem, and now I have to make sure everyone is HIPAA compliant. How do I even keep track of all of this? I don't have time for training sessions for every new hire. It's becoming a real headache. Healthcare providers are under a lot of pressure, trying to manage so many different tasks all at once. Dr. Joe listened carefully and offered a suggestion. Sarah, I hear you. But have you thought about using a virtual medical assistant, VMA service, one that's specifically built around HIPAA compliance? Dr. Joe explained, when you're working with sensitive patient data, you need to ensure everyone interacting with that data is properly trained. A HIPAA-compliant VMA service, like Staffingly, can take over many of your administrative tasks, allowing your team to focus on patient care. They use secure systems, so you won't have to worry about training staff on compliance anymore. Now that really got Dr. Matthews thinking. That sounds like it could be a game changer. But how does it work in practice? Staffingly is a trusted provider of HIPAA-compliant virtual medical assistants, and they're specifically designed to help healthcare providers manage administrative duties while maintaining strict compliance. The best part? They're already trained in HIPAA regulations, so you don't have to worry about compliance issues. These VMAs can seamlessly integrate with your existing systems, handling routine tasks like appointment scheduling, data entry, and follow-ups, so your staff can spend more time with patients. And it's not just about making your life easier. It's about saving money, too. Staffingly can help you reduce costs by up to 70%. That's right, 70% savings on salaries, benefits, and training costs, because you're no longer relying on in-house staff to manage administrative tasks. Instead, you have a fully trained, HIPAA-compliant VMA working alongside you. And it doesn't stop there. With Staffingly, your practice can streamline operations, improve efficiency, and reduce burnout. Your in-house staff will feel less pressure, which means less stress and ultimately less turnover. That's a huge win in today's healthcare environment. So, what can you take away from all this? HIPAA compliance is essential, but it doesn't have to be a headache. By using a HIPAA-compliant VMA service like Staffingly, you're offloading routine administrative tasks while ensuring that your practice stays compliant. And the best part? You're freeing up your staff to focus on patient care, where it matters most. No more juggling compliance training for every new hire or worrying about staffing shortages. You're improving your practice's efficiency, saving money, and reducing burnout all at once. Dr. Matthews sat back in her chair, clearly relieved. Joe, this sounds like exactly what we need. I can't afford to keep juggling all these compliance concerns while trying to keep my practice running smoothly. Dr. Joe smiled. That's the beauty of VMA solutions, Sarah. With Staffingly, you can take control of your administrative tasks without compromising on compliance. Plus, it'll help you save money and reduce staff burnout. It's a win-win. If you're facing similar challenges in your practice, it's time to consider how Staffingly can help you maintain HIPAA compliance, improve your workflows, and reduce costs. Imagine focusing on what you do best, providing exceptional care to your patients, while a HIPAA-compliant virtual medical assistant takes care of the rest. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us for more content on healthcare outsourcing services. Staffingly's here to support you every step of the way. Take control of your practice today.
If you are looking for outsourcing services, schedule a demo today by visiting www.staffingly.com or emailing us at support@staffingly.com or call us on the number 1-800-489-5877.